Hi love bugs! It's Saturday night. I just did a pickup order at Tom Thumb and I figured we could do a little meal prep video together. I've been wanting to meal prep and just start having like food ready for me. I think that would help in my eating habits and honestly my overall health, girl, because sometimes it's hard living on your own and having to come home after work, cook every single time. Like, I get tired too, okay? I wanted to start meal prepping, but I had to go and get everything for it. So I'm gonna do a little grocery haul right now. I also went to HomeGoods, so I'm gonna do a quick little HomeGoods haul. I didn't really get that much, but I did have to take 2 trips getting my groceries and my HomeGoods stuff. Let's get into this little HomeGoods haul. I'm so excited for everything that I got today. I did end up spending $105 and I feel like I got a good amount of stuff. So let me show you guys. Obviously, since we're gonna be meal prepping today, I got meal prepping stuff. I actually did have some glass Tupperware, but every time I would put it in that drawer and like shut it, it would just break and shatter. So I got rid of that. Then I had this like old leftover plastic Tupperware, but nothing for like meal prepping. So I went ahead and just bought some new ones and I'll probably get rid of the others just because they're so old. Starting off, I got these little snack things. I love eating like carrots and mustard. Don't knock it till you try it, but I love eating that as like a snack. So I got these to kind of like take to work with me. I feel like that's like the biggest meal of the day that I struggle with because I don't always want to be eating like Hooters, to be honest. I also got these for my actual meal preps. I wanted to get the ones with dividers, but then I kind of saw them and I was like, maybe I should just get the ones without it because then I can use them for other things as well, even if I'm not like meal prepping, you know, obviously. So I got these cute little ones. It came with 20 of them and I don't know, they're like this little baby yellow color. I love them. They're super cute. They're literally just Tupperware. Y'all hear that scratching noise? It's my cat. She's trying to take a shit. Lastly, I got these 10-piece storage set ones. I figured I could put like yogurt in these to have like lunch and then, breakfast, or just like any other little snacks if I want to take some fruit or some chips or some crackers, like I can just use these. You know, we have to have a variety. Then moving on to this one, I got a little bit of stuff for my bathroom, which I've been needing to get because honestly, like the rug situation is really what's stressing me out the most. I just don't have like a good size rug in my bathroom and I want one for like when I'm getting out of the shower. I also want one for like in front of my vanity. So I got those today. The first one being, I think this is, yeah, I got a new little jar that has like a little lid to it. I'm gonna use this, I don't know, that's the brand. I'm gonna use this for my ponytails and stuff like that. I usually keep that on my sink and I just like to have it hidden. So all my ponytails and little rubber bands will go in that. I think this is a candle. Oh no, it's not. It's I got this for my toothbrushes actually. Really cute. Obviously y'all know like my bathroom is kind of green, cream colors. I don't know how to explain it, but green, different shades of green. So I got this for my toothbrushes because I wanted to have them out. I do want to get like toothbrush covers though, you know, that I can put on the toothbrushes because it is just like exposed and I don't like that. But for now I want to have them like kind of just out on the counter. So I got this. I think these are the stuff that I got for my cats. I'm so excited about these. I got them some new little like plates for their wet food. These are so cute and they're only $3. They say caviar on them. I love this. And then I also got them these ones. I think these are so freaking cute. I did end up getting 2 candles. These ones smell so freaking good. One of them was actually on clearance. This one was $10 and then this one was $9.99. This one is like a white vanilla smell. It smells so freaking good. Definitely giving like cozy, warm vanilla vibes, but I'm not the biggest vanilla person. So when I find a vanilla that I like, you know it's good. And then this one is a sand and paws. So I think I'm gonna actually have this one near the cat litter box because I think this one neutralizes pet odor. So it'll be better to have it kind of near that area to kind of help because those girls stink. But this one definitely smells very fruity. Super, super good. Then lastly, I got the bath mats. So I think I'm gonna do this one. Sorry. I got this one and I think I'm gonna do this one in front of like the vanity area. I think it'll fit perfectly. And then I got this one and I'm really hoping this one fits in that space because it is kind of like small. But I got this one for when I get out of the shower. I felt like this would be like super warm, cozy, like soak in all the like excess water and stuff. And I feel like this will be good to kind of offset so much of the like green that I have in my bathroom. Now for Tom Thumb, I did get quite a few things, but I tried to be very smart and get healthy things because I really want to start, you know, having better eating habits, fueling my body with better foods, or you know, just better than what I was, okay? Actually getting in a routine of meals because I have a very, I just don't have the best food relationship. It's not like I like struggle to eat or anything. I just feel like I don't eat consistently, like frequently in a healthy manner, if that makes sense. We're trying to do our best, okay? That's why we need to restock. We need to have food accessible in the house, okay? Starting off, I got these little artesian, these like cheese and stuff rolls. It looks like this. I'm gonna use these to do like little at-home SavWay sandwiches. So good. Got these kind of like crackers slash chips. I got these ones. These right here are so good. If you've never had them, you really need to try them. They are the shit. And then I also got some little cheddar like Rice Krispies. I got some mandarin oranges and I also got some bananas. I'm gonna use this because I also got some yogurt. I also have some granola already, but this is the yogurt that I got. I've never tried this brand before, so I'm really hoping that it's good, but it's honey vanilla, so I feel like it'll be extra sweet and I definitely need that because I'm not the biggest like yogurt person. I've also never had these. They're like little protein energy bites. I'm excited to try them. They're strawberry peanut butter PB&J snack type thing. My name and order on it, but these are just those Kodiak. I don't know if that's how you say it, but the buttermilk and vanilla pancakes. I think these are like protein ones if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, protein packed. They have 10 grams of protein in them, so period. I love a waffle. I'm a waffle person. You know, like okay, I'm gonna put a quiz in the thing. Are you a waffle or a pancake person? And if you get it, you get it. I just feel like pancakes and waffles, they're different. There's some yellow mustard and some caramel for my coffees. I think I'm gonna make some tuna actually, just so I can have that like badged up, because I could also make like a tuna sub with this. So I think I have some canned tuna, I hope. Gotta have turkey for our sandwiches. I got these Open Nature fruit bars. I'm really hoping these are good. I'm not really into the whole like where you can taste like the pieces of the strawberry in it. I don't like strawberries, if you can't tell, but I do like strawberry flavor, so I'm hoping these don't have that like actual fresh fruit. Some tortillas, because I'm going to be taking these actually to work with me so I can have some quesadillas, because we took them off the menu and I'm really mad about it. So these are going to be for work. Love baby carrots. Like I said, I eat this with mustard. It is so freaking good. I'll also do it with ranch, but for some reason it just hits different with the mustard. My favorite peppers literally ever, pepperoncinis. I could eat this whole jar in one sitting. Like, I love them. They're so good. Also for my yogurt bowls, I got some little milk chocolates. I feel like a little milk chocolate chip with some bananas. Super good. These are just kind of for like a little snack. I've never had them though. They're the chomplings, grass-fed beef, little beef jerky sticks. We're gonna try those out. I'm sure they're gonna be phenomenal. I'm not typically the biggest like breakfast person, so I did get these for kind of like that mealtime. I'm gonna also try to eat like my yogurt bowl and stuff. I need to just keep consistent with it, but in case I'm just really not feeling like super hungry or anything, I have these little Premier protein shakes. I love them. This is like one of my favorite protein shakes. They taste so good, not super like chalky, powdery, anything of the sort, and I feel like they're more on the affordable side than some can be, so I love these. Also, I'll mix them into coffee sometimes, like caramel with that coffee. So good. Lastly, I got my children some food because they were running super low. I did not expect this bag to be this little though, so I probably should have got the bigger bag because I feel like they're gonna run through this so quickly, but they eat so much. But yeah, I'm gonna put all of this away now and then we're gonna get started because I got a meal prep, and I'm also going to be making a chicken, what is it? It's like a chicken Dijon, crispy Parmesan chicken with garlic scallion, couscous, and lemon roasted carrots. I feel like that's gonna be so freaking good. I took a little break, but we are about to get right into meal prepping because I do want to get this done tonight, and I know the longer I wait, the more I probably won't end up doing it tonight. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I've got to go ahead and prep all of my ingredients. I have my carrots right here. I'm gonna just peel and then chop these in like halves. I also need to chop my green onion. I need to zest my lemon and also mince my garlic. So I'm gonna do all of that right now while I talk to you guys about Nourish actually. So I took it upon myself actually to meet with a dietitian on the Nourish platform. It was super easy for me to sign up, to get an appointment. I actually met with my dietitian a few weeks ago and I truly loved the video call. It was super easy. The lady who I was matched with, which I was able to pick out myself as well. They give you a questionnaire to fill out whenever you sign up, and that helps to basically match you with a dietitian that fits your health concerns or what you're trying to gain within talking to a dietitian in the first place. So for me personally, I was really looking to just kind of like up my overall health. I truly do struggle just to have like a routine that is healthy for myself and where I'm getting meals consistently. Like there are some days where I'm eating one meal, there's some days where I'm not even eating a meal in the day and I'm just snacking, or even worse days I am just not eating anything at all. And part of that is just because like I do get distracted and I'm doing so many things throughout the day that I just forget to eat. But overall, I just kind of wanted to talk with the dietitian to see what would be like the best plan of action for me, and if they had any good food suggestions that could help me on my journey, etc. Nourish is one of the easiest ways to find and speak to a registered dietitian, and it's just conveniently speaking to a dietitian over Zoom. This way you have access anywhere at any time. They offer personalized nutrition therapy to improve patients' health through sustainable, evidence-based behavior change. Nourish dietitians specialize in a variety of health conditions and concerns such as weight management, eating disorders, gut health, women's health, sports nutrition, diabetes, and so much more. Nourish also does accept hundreds of insurance plans in all 50 states. If you guys do want to check out Nourish and you are super serious about getting your health in check, your eating habits in check, then definitely use the link in my description box down below to check out Nourish's website. I think Nourish can be a very, very beneficial platform, especially if you utilize it to its fullest benefits. But thank you so much to Nourish for sponsoring today's video. All of my ingredients right here. I have my roasted carrots, I have my Parmesan chicken, and then I also have my couscous. The chicken, I did realize that I forgot to put the paprika in it, so I hope it tastes good. A lot of these ingredients are super, super simple, like just salt, pepper, so it seems kind of bland, but it actually ends up being really, really good, especially with like the lemony flavors and all of that. So super excited. I have my little Tupperware containers, and guys, these actually are already broken, so I've had to throw away. That's my third one now that I'm having to throw away, but we do have a few that are still good to go, so you get what you pay for when you go to HomeGoods. I'm gonna start by just layering a bed of couscous. That was about 3, and then I'm going to take my chicken. I'm also gonna put that right there. I'm gonna take some carrots and we're gonna put those on the side. It's gonna look something like that. I'm also gonna take a little bit of green onion and just sprinkle that over top. Put a little lemon wedge in there so that way we have something to kind of just add some fresh juices, and then we have a lid. I've never actually meal prepped before, so I'm super, super excited about this. I know this like just seems something so simple and basic, but living by yourself, honestly, it can get very hard. You know, it's very easy to kind of go for the quick option, get something super fast and simple versus what you know is actually going to be better for your body, which is cooking the meals at home. Meal prepping is going to be a way better like scenario for me, because then I can just go into my fridge, grab my meal, and then it's already ready for me. And this honestly looks super freaking good as well. Like, you cannot tell me that is not fire. I think I'm only gonna actually have enough to make 3, so in the future I definitely will do bigger batches. Here are my 3 little meal preps. I'm super excited about it. Yeah, that was actually way easier than I thought. I love this meal because I think it took me maybe 30 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and see how these mats look now in my bathroom. Now that I'm thinking about it, I really didn't get that much stuff. Actually, I feel like that fits perfect. I feel like that's so cute. I also fixed this little area. I have my little custom towels and then my picture. I don't know where I'm gonna hang that just yet, so for now she's there. This is the area I'm worried about. I'm really hoping that I think it'll fit. Actually, oh, that's perfect. Hell yeah. I don't know. I really want something in front of my freaking toilet. Like, does that look weird? Y'all let me know. I feel like if I had something around the toilet, it would look a little better, but at the end of the day, they just little bath mats. That's all it is. I have a little toothbrush holder. I think this is so pretty. It's gonna look amazing. And then I'm gonna have that one right there. It's just elevated. It's giving. We're tying everything together because this is my busted one that I have from Target. It was on the Target like dollar spot. I think I'm actually gonna use this for like makeup brushes now and just throw away the lid because it's kind of like cracked, but this is the new one. I need to go through this honestly anyways because I have so much stuff in here. I literally keep like all my bobby pins, all my ponytails, just literally all of that. I even have like these little ones. That's pretty much everything that's in there, so we're just gonna dump it all over into this because I like this one better and it's cuter. I love it. These are all the toothbrushes I have. Don't even ask me why I have so many, girl, but It's gonna look just like that. That's my little toothbrush thing situation. So now it looks like this in here, you guys. I think it's super cute. Yeah, that's what the bathroom's looking like now. I just need to like take the little tags off of these, but I love it. Super cute. Meal prep is now done. I am officially all finished. Thank God. It is like almost 10 o'clock. I still need to shower, do my nighttime routine, and get my little hiney up in bed. But I think taking the initiative to meal prep, plan more accordingly, just so that way I don't have to think about what I want to eat, or I don't have to think of ideas of things to snack on that are also good for my body. And talking with my dietitian on Nourish really helped me to include all of the information that I had gathered. She gave me so many different ideas for like snack ideas, breakfast ideas. I was talking to her about how like I really struggle to have an appetite in the morning, so she was giving me little suggestions for ways to get like my protein in and the calories I need to be intaking, all of those things just to maintain a healthy body weight. I think I'm about like 120 right now, and I'm pretty good with staying in that range. I just need to keep my happy weight up, not lose weight anymore, because I have struggled with that in the past. So we're just trying to overall help our health, our wellness, our fitness, and just be a more exceptional version of ourselves this year. So why did I say that kind of British? I've been watching too much Love Island. Thank you guys for hanging out with me tonight though. I literally love when I get to spend the evenings with you guys or the days with you guys. I love having y'all just like a part of my world and sharing my experiences with you guys, hearing y'all in the comments. Like, I just really love you guys down bad, and thank y'all for watching my video today. Again, don't forget to check out my description box down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.